Animals and Their Young Ones. Hey kids, let's learn animals and the name of their babies. Part 2. Antelope, calf. Beaver, kit. Rhino, calf. Penguin, chick. Turtle, hatchling. Octopus, larva. Squirrel, kit. Ostrich, chick. Chameleon, hatchling. Elephant seal, pup. Seahorse, fry. Platypus, puggle. Butterfly, caterpillar. Ant, antling. Buffalo, calf. Cheetah, cub. Panda, cub. Let's revise. Antelope, calf. Beaver, kit. Rhino, calf. Penguin, chick. Turtle, hatchling. Octopus, larva. Squirrel, kit. Ostrich, chick. Chameleon, hatchling. Elephant seal, pup. Seahorse, fry. Platypus, puggle. Butterfly, caterpillar. Ant, antling. Buffalo, calf. Cheetah, cub. Panda, cub.
I hope you like my videos. We need your support and love. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. And don't forget to press like button. Thank you.